Alright guys, we're baling. Last field of the day. Back at Deere Pointe Farms, and we're about to go baling today. And first I gotta look over the tractor and the baler. So I gotta grease and oil the chains. And it says you have to grease the cover edge on this baler, and it's some other things I have to grease. I gotta look at what the diagram and the book says, and yeah, so I gotta pull it up first so I can grease the cover edge, net wrap thing, whatever it's called. And yeah, I already checked the oil, and I checked the transmission fluid, which is hydraulic fluid. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. Alright, so now we got 115 hours on it. And this tractor was brand new last year, which was June 8th. Today is June 17th, Saturday. Pull forward. So, dusty. It's some points that we have to grease. Oh, there they are. Gotta grease those points on both sides. And gotta grease the chains, but I'm gonna do that outside when it's turning. And yeah. It's about 3 days later, and we baling again. Got the tractor. This is the first bale. It's a nice bale, really. The tractor been doing good. The baling been doing good. So we got about 30 acres on the ground that we're gonna get up today. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it rolling. Second little field that we got here down at the church. And here's I believe it's the 5th bale that I've made. And the hay is a little damp, but we're gonna feed it quick, so I'm gonna have less time to, you know, mold and do whatever. And this is all we got. This is just like a 3-acre field, and the tractor and the baler's doing great. So hey everybody, so we have a problem is making this small bale, and I just looked, and this piece right here is bent. That's got to be straight, so we're gonna straighten that back out. All right guys, now we're done with the church, and here's the first bale of this field. These things look bigger. Jay, I know these things look big.
Yeah, but it's still premium.
The 52-inch. This hay's dry. Like this thing is big.
Yeah.
But you can still rock it though. But this is some thick hay. We're in like a 4-acre field, and she's ready to go. So let's keep going. True 4x5 bale. And this thing is light because the hay is dry. And that's not a 4x5 because it was messing up. But that's a 4x5. So we're out here raking and baling. Got some good hay for the baler to eat up. Yeah. John Deere. All right, guys, we're baling. Last field of the day.